Hey, it's Lachlan here from Box, and I'm so excited because we have Janelle and Amanda here from Sweet Darling. They're one of our incredible customers, and I'm so excited to get ready baking.
Thanks for having us.
I have Janelle here, and we're going to bake some honey joy
Fudge.
Yum, that sounds delicious. So let's get started.
Well, first of all, we're going to get a really deep pot because it boils, so you don't want it spitting out on you. We're going to put a whole kilo of caster sugar.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of sugar.
It'll keep you awake at night. So you put your caster sugar, and then we're just going to put the butter in. I usually cut it up smaller, but it'll dissolve nicely with a bit of temperature. We haven't got the milk.
Oh no, we need some milk.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, there we go, some fresh milk.
Perfect. Just pour that in there. Sprinkle it around a little bit. Shake it off. And pour in your condensed milk. You can use your spatula here just to get it out because it sticks and we want every last bit of it.
I love condensed milk.
Oh yeah, eating it straight from the spoon.
I'm not going to tell anyone, but
Perfect.
So good.
Pop that in there. And then we've got where we get our flavour from, our honey.
Yeah, and this is Australian honey. I think it's really good to support Australian businesses and buy local ingredients.
Tastes better too. So then we're just going to squeeze our golden syrup in. Give it a good squeeze.
Muscles.
Doesn't have to be too precise. Perfect. And then we're going to pop that on the heat. So now we're just stirring the mixture so that none of the sugar sticks to the bottom and burns, and just waiting for that butter to dissolve before it comes to the boil. Now that all the butter is dissolved, we're just going to add our vanilla essence. Mix that through. So now's a great time to get your thermometer ready. You want to turn it on and make sure it's set to Fahrenheit. We want this to get up to 244 degrees Fahrenheit. Digital is best, I find. So when it starts to get to that thick, slow boil, you know you're getting close to temp. And we've got about 14 degrees to go, but you have to reach that 244 point. There we go, 244 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll just pop the thermometer out and turn the gas off.
This smells so good. I'm so excited. Now you obviously want to be super careful because it's so hot.
Boiling hot sugar.
Best if you have a second person to help you out like we are here.
Perfect, thank you, Lachlan.
My pleasure.
All right, now we're just going to pop this on our mix master here. Careful because this metal bowl is hot. And spin it so it locks in. Lower this carefully, we don't want any splashing. And if you push the gears down low, setting number 2, for probably 10 minutes. Metal bowls take longer than the glass bowls, so we'll have to just keep watching it for the visual cues.
So I'm really interested in your story. So can you let me know a little bit like how and your sister started your business?
So before Sweet Darling, I had a cake sort of business, sort of side hobby.
Oh, okay.
When I had the
cakes.
kids, yeah.
Okay.
So it was called Kitchen Tempest, but when my sister came on board, we rethought the name.
Rebranded.
Yes, that's her thing.
Ah, cool. And now it's Sweet Darling on Instagram, right?
Yes, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok these days.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
amazing. I love seeing the TikTok videos. They're truly incredible.
So we started making marshmallows about 2.5 years ago when my little girl was born.
Oh my gosh.
It's come a long way. The first
I bet.
2 attempts were pretty disastrous. It's like sticky everywhere.
Oh.
Like on the floor, in your hair, everywhere. But it just dissolves in water, so it was okay.
Oh, perfect.
And then I told my sister about it, and I was like, well, I've got this idea, and I don't know if it's like marketable or if people want to eat it, because so many people are divided by marshmallow. Like, I don't eat marshmallow. I'm like, have you even tried
I think that's
good
the thing, right?
marshmallow?
Yeah, most people haven't even tried it before.
It's not like the stuff that you get out of the packet and you put on
Yeah.
the stick for camping. It's different texture.
I remember those days, like by the campfire.
Yes, they still burn like that too. So like if you do cook them, they're hot, they're gooey, they're sticky.
Yeah.
They're still the same in that respect, but they're much more flavorful.
So did you eat marshmallow cold then?
Yeah, you can eat marshmallow cold. Yeah, just cut it up and eat it. Or in our case, they're little domes. You just eat a dome like we'd a lolly. Yeah.
It's incredible. And then you can ship them all around Australia, right?
We just started shipping worldwide, so yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yay, how exciting.
Very exciting. So when it starts to pull away from the sides and sort of look crumbly like that is when it's ready to go into the pan. Alright, now we're just going to lift the head, take the beater off, hit it against the side to get all of that goodness off there.
Kind of looks like cookie dough.
It does a little bit, yeah I can see that. Just pop that into the tray. It doesn't really run out, you gotta scoop it. Is it hot, Lachlan?
It's okay.
Perfect. Scrape the sides, get it all out. It's quite thick, you can see. So you will have to spread it a little bit in the tray. Perfect, Lachlan, good holder.
My pleasure.
Spread that out a little bit.
Looking so good.
It smells good, which you can smell it.
Yeah.
Alright, so just spreading that out to all the corners. Nice, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to put the cornflakes on top.
Yum, cornflakes.
And this is where it sort of gets a throwback to that honey joy nostalgia of childhood birthday parties.
Yeah.
Sprinkle these on top. Sprinkle some more on top, cover it as much as you like. I like a pretty generous helping of cornflakes. And then you sort of have to pat it in because it sort of sets quite quickly and you want them to stick in there for when you cut it up. So just pat those all in. Happy with that?
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Perfect.
So this one, it stays at room temperature or does it go in the fridge now?
No, we just pop it on the counter and leave it probably 3 to 6 hours. Just depends. This one's got to set quickly because it's a shallower pan.
Okay.
Then you can lift it out and cut it up into sort of your desired sizes.
Delicious. And eat it at room temperature as well?
Yeah, definitely at room temperature because if
Yum.
it gets hot, it's sticky.
Perfect. Well, let's do that and then let's try it.
Perfect.
We have a range of packaging options on our website at box.com, and today I've selected the small cookie box, which I think is perfect for our slice here today. So we're going to go ahead and put the slice in the box, and I think it's a great option if you are to give it out as a business or if you're to give it to your friends and family. I mean, have you used this box before?
Yes, I've used it for bigger cookies actually,
Okay.
but this will be perfect.
Awesome.
So I've heated up the knife to cut the fudge. Just cutting off the rough edges. There. Cornflakes are always hard to cut through. Just pop that in here. Nice and gentle. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to slide that one off into here. Perfect.
I've had so much fun today and I'm so thankful for you, Janelle, for showing everyone how to bake this delicious slice.
Thank you for having me.
My pleasure. And guess what? If you want the recipe for what we've baked today, it's going to be in the description below. You can check that out there. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and until next time, we'll see you then.
Bye.